Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to do derivatives.
We're going to show you the easiest way to do this so we can make a guy's life easier.
That's right, because sometimes even gamers have to do math. Our example here is going to be dx over dt of x squared.
It's actually meant to be a t there, not an L.
Okay, sick,
Yeah.
Man.
Alright, I was just trying to help.
Anyways, so the first step is moving the exponent, which is in this case 2, in front of the x. Then you subtract 1 from the current exponent.
It's important to remember this step as you will be needing this in the future when doing derivatives as well.
Yes, Queen. So in this case, the 2 becomes a 1. And as we all know, x to the power of 1 is just x. So the answer is 2x. And now moving on to the next example, we have dx over dt of x cubed.
Just fix the t, please. Or some.
Yeah, I was getting to that.
Alright, so what you want to do is...
You move the exponent to the front, like in the last one. Then you minus 1 from the exponent, and boob, Bob's your uncle, 3x squared.
يعز ديني وذل البغاة فيا قوم هبوا لدرب الكما فإما حياة تسر الهدى وإما ممات يغيظ العدا